to compliment Sipumbule. You and Hugo Bros, he proves so many people wrong. Leo Sipumbule is stamped. It is permanent. Sipumbule, we are asked, and well, obvious the pressure on him, which it's a second chance to him.
Yeah.
He need to prove to the nation. After Usipo career Kifana almost age. I understand. I will be straightforward, honest. Usipo supposed to be far, which is possible still. Man, Abumfano will remain a focus. Develop effort because the reputation goes in with him. I think Usipo is ready for anything. We ask with the second chance. We grab him fan. I mean, in today's game, I don't think he was expecting no man busy. Okay, I'm surprised Tito Masongai.
Yeah.
But I don't think he was ready to start the game. Because at Pirates is sometimes pay the game. Yeah, today Bamtali is number 10, which is municipal best to central midfield. But you must really had to lose the ball comfortable, look at the training. Effortless.
Also involved with the goal.
Yeah. I mean, we made us play. And compliment ang intima udlala ngomkwena udlala ngayo futhi umbatha. You need umuntu njengoSofariti Gemino, a very skillful player or a vision player, umuntu ohlakaniphile ozokwazi ukufunda situation. Good now by him turning in challenge into abumkweni ukuthi follow banabo Siphumbule nabo talent. Well done to this guy Siphumbule ukuthi kule game, because this game can change Siphumbele's life. Ngiyakutshela many people were watching, many coaches, we talk about everybody. So well done to Sipho for lasting also. Ngoba I think Usipho amanye coach they play him bana this tendency ukuthi 65 minutes they take him off. It takes ngokuthi bakutrust. Abamtrust now Sipho. Yabona Hugo Bros trusted him. Angeke amlethe down Sipho. Sipho go back now. Ku Pirates will wanna show the coach with coach next ngicela ungiselect next time.
Opa made you a Bucky.
It's not a bucket. It's a highlight.